Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Today we are going to be unboxing some cosmetics that I did buy from a small business in Canada. I am so freaking excited because this cosmetics company in particular is run by a woman of color. I believe she's Indian, although I don't know for sure. But I'm really excited because I feel like whenever she swatches the eyeshadows and stuff on her hand, they look so bomb, and I am obsessed. When I say I've liked every single video on her TikTok page, I kid you not. So I'm gonna link all of that stuff below. I really hope this goes well. I hope I don't open it and I'm like, what the hell, this sucks, I hate this. But yeah, I don't know, let's see. I'm not wearing any makeup, you guys, because my I'm still having like health issues in terms of like my head and my eyes. Like I'm still getting headaches. I do want to take it very easy. I did go see the optometrist, and like I didn't have any inflammation or anything like that in my eye, but I just do want to take things very easy because I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't want to, like, I'm just kind of worried. I just need to, I'm in this mindset now that I'm like, okay, I really need to protect my eyesight. I'm gonna shut up because I feel like nobody gives a shit. They're probably just like, what's in the package? Let me see what's in the package. So hopefully I don't get doxxed. It comes in this really cute bright pink bubble wrap. By the way, this took like 3.5 weeks to get here because they were having a Boxing Day sale, and I believe all of the items were like 40% off. So I was like, I need to get my hands on that. So the first thing that just came out of the package is this really cute poster thing, and it says, the name is Vani Cosmetics. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I think her name is Shivani, the owner. And it says, hey gorgeous, take 15% off. Yeah, okay, you guys already saw the code, so sorry. So the very first one, you guys, is this pressed glitter. It looks like this. Super cute. Thank you so much for providing the ingredients. Thank you so much. I actually really appreciate this. And it says vegan, cruelty-free, made in Canada. Ayy, represent. Wow, why this is very snug in here. What is going on? I hope I'm opening it the right way. Okay, I finally got that out. Finally. I hope I didn't destroy the packaging. What the what is this? Whoa. Okay, what should I do? Should I just try swatching it? Oh god, oh my god, it fell down. Okay, like a tiny bit fell out, but like, you guys, that's what that looks like. Okay, that looks really pretty, but I feel like you might need like a glitter glue. Oh damn, I have never had that kind of a shade before. If you had like those very tiny tweezer things, I feel like this would be so pretty to create that look. I don't know how to store this. I'm kind of worried. Like, I guess I'd have to just put this back in here. So perhaps if you had like one of those metallic plates, then you could probably just, I believe this is like magnetic. I think it's in the shade Phoenix, by the way. So a really cool way to protect the packaging would actually be to, if you already have one, like a magnetic palette, that would be nice. I believe she has a couple shades that do already come in a magnetic palette, but that was like way too expensive, and I was like, girl, I love your products, but like, I also am broke. So why is this, what is going on? Something's like wet in here. I don't know what's going on. I feel like something's wet. I don't know. Okay, the next step is this shade, which is in the color. Okay, something is like wet. I don't know what is going on. Oh, it's the glitter gel. See, it feels like perfume or something. I don't know what's going on. Maybe something was shifting in the packaging. I have no idea. This is Nebula. It's like so freaking pretty for your soul. So it's a pressed glitter, and that's what that looks like. I really hope my light is picking it up, but it's like this really nice pink glitter. I'm gonna do a bunch of looks very soon using all of the new stuff that I got, so hang tight. Also because I do need my eyes to rest, you guys. That's why I'm not applying them on my actual lids, but don't worry, there's gonna be a bunch of videos up soon. Okay, so the next step, see, do you see that? Like, I don't know how that, like, I'm I don't know what that is. There's like some kind of like stain or like something is going on there. Okay, so the next shade here, the rest are like pretty easy to remove, like out of the packaging. I don't know why the first one was like hella snug. This one is in the shade Venus, and it's this really nice red orangey shade, kind of like burnt orange shade. So a lot comes up with my finger because as soon as you dunk it in there, it kind of creates that dent. That's what that shade looks like. Oh my god, what the hell? What is in these? They look so pretty. I'm wiping it off and like I can definitely see glitter particles like fall to the ground. It's not a lot, but it is there. See, like I'm flicking it off and I can still see like pieces of glitter. This is Sunset. I just want to do some direct comparisons. So this one's a bit orangey, this one's more pinker. I just want to contrast the two so you guys like have an idea. This one's like way more flamboyant. This Phoenix one, oh girl, she flamboyant. So I do have a flat top brush. This is the brush that I typically use for creating cut creases. So it does see like as soon as you tap it in, it kind of shifts a little bit. Oh, okay, so I'm not really picking up a whole lot with the brush. Let's see, maybe if I try to scoop it up, maybe that'll work. Okay, so something fell down. I don't know if that was caught on camera, but something fell down. Okay, anyways, that's what that looks like. It's kind of like moving around in the pan, which I don't know, like I've never formulated eyeshadow, so I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. It's just a little bit something that I haven't really experienced before. So I do have this other flat top brush here. So this was the one that I used. I'm just trying to see if it'll like make a huge difference. Let me just dip that into the pan. So yeah, I'm kind of worried because it is like moving all over the place. So like, I don't know. Yeah, so that's what happens when you do. So not a lot is like actually picked up. Because usually what happens is for pressed glitters, I will have to use a setting spray on top and then I'll apply it and then it'll work fine. The easiest way would be likely like using your fingers, but I was just curious to see like, because to be honest, you guys, I hate using my fingers. I hate using my fingers, but I'll do it. I'm basically just going to apply like 2 spritz on this. And this usually works for these very like pressed glitters. So I press it on this side and now I'm just going to run ahead and pick it up. And again, you guys, so that same thing is happening. So my assumption is that the best way to apply this would be to use your fingers. I also want to try this out using the NYX Glitter Glue. So I hope you guys can see that. So that's side by side. So this is with the glitter glue, this is without the glitter glue. The last, or the second last one is another pressed glitter because your girl is cray cray, and this is in the shade Supernova. Okay, so when I did swatch this one, it didn't move like a whole lot, so that was really nice. And that's what that shade looks like. And then I'm just going to swatch that right there. The last one, you guys, that we're gonna talk about is this glitter gel. I don't know what is going on here, you guys, but like it's kind of like sticky. I don't know why that happened. There's a bit of tape on here, so I'm just going to try and remove that. Okay, so this is kind of hard to open because like because of that sticky stuff in there. My understanding is just to give Shivani like the benefit of the doubt, I think like perhaps when she was packaging them, I think like because they were moving around a whole lot, that's why like all of the other packaging was like kind of sticky. Look, it's not the end of the world. It's like, who cares? Because these glitters are so freaking fun. Okay, so you guys, I'm like still struggling. I'm still struggling to open this. Shoot, you guys, I can't open this. Frick, I'm so disappointed. It's like glued on there like really hard. This is in the shade Stardust, by the way. Hooray, you guys. Okay, so my sister was able to open that for us. So that was awesome. So that's what that looks like. Oh, okay, this is good. So it picked up like right away, I feel like. So that's really good. And then I'm just gonna show you guys, swatch it on my hand. Yay! Oh, this would be such a good topper. I feel like you don't really need a whole lot of glitter shades. You just need a couple that like really work for you. And everyone has different preferences. Everyone has different skin tones. Some people might prefer other glitter tones, undertones than some other people, but I feel like this is really nice because I feel like it'll work on every single skin tone. There's definitely going to be looks coming out soon. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. And leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye.